Today we're gonna attempt doing a catch, clean, and cook. I'm out here with my buddy Steve. This beautiful pond. And we're gonna try and see if we can't catch some big size bluegills for this catch, clean, and cook. And yeah, stick with us. I got my daughter with me, and my wife. So yeah, stick with us. We're gonna see what we can do. I think she's gonna play in the mud. Oh, and Reagan.
Forget Reagan.
Yeah. Also, guys, we're gonna be using some big red worms, and there's some goldfish in here. So I got this corn here to see if I can't catch one.
I think these are called hickory nuts, aren't they?
Oh, it's laying on top of a lily pad. Are you caught in a lily pad? Yeah. Is this why you don't fish? Kaimara?
Go right here in the shade.
We'll come back.
So you're not in the sun.
Hold on.
I think a frog just jumped on the lily pad as I was reeling it.
Oh, you got her.
Oh my gosh, my first fish.
A lily pad?
It's 3 pounds.
Oh, something just struck at it.
I think I can go with fish into the tournament now.
Oh man, that just got hit. I don't think it took it. Yeah, it did.
Caught a big one?
Caught something.
Is it big?
I think it's a catfish.
We don't have cats.
Yeah, you do. I've caught them out here. I'm telling you what, watch out, there's a hook right there.
Oh yeah, be careful.
You gotta stay away from the poles. And of course, it's gotta be in the frickin' lily pads.
What is it?
It's a bluegill,
Let me hold it.
just what we were after.
Let me get him off.
Look at that hook set. Holy.
Can I get him off?
No, I'll do it.
Can I hold him?
Holy. Yeah. Just don't drop him back in the water because I might keep him.
Watch out for that hook, Reagan.
I don't know.
Got him.
He'd make a little fillet. Should I get my stringer out? I caught something.
Ready? Hey, look at your hair. It's not crazy. The wind went crazy.
I'll get him.
That killed him?
No.
Nope. Keep some hook.
Oh.
Snack? Snack size? What do you think, Kaimara? Yeah?
I think it's gonna be like nothing.
Look at mine. My bobber.
Oh, it's going.
Go grab it. That one is? No, it's the other pole. Yeah, reel her in. You got one?
It's heavy.
It's probably caught in them damn lily pads again. No, yours is good, Kaimara.
Alright. I put it back in there?
Yeah.
Who did?
This one's on the bottom. There's no bobber. You getting her?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, you are.
A fish?
You gotta get it through them lily pads, huh?
I can't.
Here, you want me to do it?
Yeah.
I might have to walk around. Yeah, we did. Yeah, we did. A little cruncher, as my dad would say. Oh, he swallowed it.
I had one.
Did you?
Let me get it.
No, he swallowed the hook.
Let me see. Oh, we sure did.
I had one too.
Pretty though, look at him. Real
He was
pretty.
Like the same.
I have to cut, I'm gonna have to cut this part out.
Ew. Let me hold him.
He's really fighting. Ah!
Get him cut?
Yeah, it's his spines.
Oh.
Ouch. I'm just gonna put him, look, he's bleeding. I'm just gonna put him on the stringer. Looks like he is coming home with us. He's bleeding. Well, I mean, we're gonna eat him anyhow, so. It's because he swallowed it so far. All right, guys, there's two. There's two. We eating some bluegills tomorrow, aren't we? Whew. We need some more tomorrow. We need about 6. Oh, oh,
I had something and I just got caught.
oh.
Another.
Nope, missed him.
I literally had something I knew I did. And then my mind got caught.
Oh, man.
Can he swim still?
I know these lily pads make it tough. Oh,
How do I put him back in? I don't want to.
yeah, I did.
Got one?
Yeah, I did. These lily pads make it tough.
I let him swim away.
Oh,
Is that a big one? Can
that's a bass.
we keep it?
No, no, I'm not gonna eat him.
Let me hold it.
I mean, I don't know if Steve would let me keep it or not.
Yeah? He's
I
strong.
want it to be a little bigger to eat, though. If you're gonna eat bass, you want something just a little bit bigger. Here, let me see. The best way to hold them, just like that,
Okay.
with your thumb. Put your thumb on his bottom jaw. Damn it. That sucked.
You like it?
Caught on a lily pad.
Oh, it snapped it?
Yep. Lost another bobber. Heck yeah! Lily pads, guys. Lost another bobber. There it is. Let's see how big she is. Yeah, I just broke my line. Oh. That's about...
He's too small.
I mean, he's like borderline. We'll put him on. Yeah, Kyle got a fish. Right on, good job. A baby girl caught a catfish. Heck yeah. That's not a catfish. That's a nice bass. We're gonna come up here so we get your... Come up here when we get your picture. Here, let some line out. Oh yeah, you're way up in there. You're too far.
Yeah, I did that.
Yep, there you go. I want my beer over bass. That's not a bad size. He's a little one, but...
I'm not holding
Took your
it
worm
in
too.
the mouth.
You're not? You just put your thumb right there.
Ah, there's teeth.
They don't hurt. It's like sandpaper.
Hi.
Yeah, let's go up there and get your picture.
Buddy.
Yeah. Yeah, she did. Look.
You're so pretty.
Oh, oh, oh.
Hi, buddy.
Good job.
I was just reeling it in, too.
Sometimes they do that. They'll just nab it as you're reeling. Nice catch. There's bigger ones in here. I caught a 6-pounder in here. Yeah. Yeah. Nah, he won't. We'll be all right. You got a few seconds.
I saw that. Looked big from here. I mean, it is big. I mean, I could tell it was clear from back here.
Fun to catch, right? Heck yeah. I broke my line on my bobber. That actually wouldn't be a bad eating bass right there. I'm not gonna lie to you. You want to keep it?
Yeah.
You ever have bass?
Yeah, we can have it as pet.
That's perfect size to eat. Well, guys, it turned into we're gonna keep a little bass since we're not catching very many bluegills. So, yeah, baby girl got done. Well, guys, we caught some fish, as you've seen. A couple little dinkers, but get them filleted up and try out this new recipe I invented. Not really invented, but yeah, you'll see. So this ain't the end of the video, but you know, I always gotta say, until next time, put some fish on. Stay tuned. Don't go away yet. I'm gonna show you cooking these fish. Yeah, it's hot too. Oh. Well, hey, welcome back. Getting ready to do the cook part of that catch, clean and cook. I didn't show the cleaning. Some people are a little squeamish, but yeah. Anyhow, so yeah, let's check out the setup here. As you can tell, got the old oil running. We got our egg wash. We got our empty bowl for our surprise batter. And we got Kaimara's bass. We figured, hey, why not? Let's just fillet that one up since she hasn't caught a bass in forever. Let's check it out. So, further ado, what's the secret ingredient? Oh, yeah. Who doesn't like pickles on a good fish pickle sandwich? Yeah, so, yeah, we're going to get these battered up. I'm going to hand it over to Kaimara. And I'm going to get them battered up. We're going to crush them up. Yeah? You want to open it up and just kind of crush them all up? Yeah, get them. Wow. You'd think there'd be more in there. So there it is, guys. Now give me our fingers out of it. What do you think? Here. That's a little too much look, but okay. All right. Well, just kind of panning on my hands here. I think we're gonna do a egg wash, crumbs, egg wash, back into the crumbs. What do you think for a thicker?
Yeah. For the little other one?
Oh yeah. Thinking maybe we should have maybe pureed them, but we're gonna try this anyhow. What do you think? Maybe get some footage of me laying her in there. Let's check the backside out. Yeah, I think maybe next time we'll get them a little bit more. A little bit more finer of chips. But hey, this is the first time we've done this, huh? If anybody has any suggestions or comments on easier ways, I mean, I've watched some videos, but you know, everybody's got different ways. So just leave it down there in the comment section. Why come on? Yeah. Yeah, they're getting a little clumpy.
It's egg wash.
Wash on this one, to be quite honest.
That's so funny.
Yeah. Oh, don't tell Billy. Don't tell Billy. Yeah, brown we're getting. I'm getting a nice little close up. Yeah. Oh yeah, we're losing some breading. Next time I think we're gonna have to just do a more fine breading. What do you think?
Yeah,
I'm gonna
it's
give you
really
this good looking one. It's your fish, so. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. It looks like a hash brown patty.
It does.
A few more minutes on that and good to go. Alright. Look, we got her cooked. Didn't we, Kaimara? Yeah, we did. Well, we got a fork here. What do you think? You want to break into a piece? Alright, moment of truth. Is it still hot? Can you taste any?
Can't really taste it.
Can't really taste? I don't think we went fine enough.
But at the end, it's like more salty.
That's probably from the potato chips. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm gonna
There
have
is a
to.
potato.
I guess I'm gonna have to try a little bite now too. Might as well get my reaction. Oh. Not this holy taste. Not really so much of a dill taste.
Yeah, it's like a thick taste.
I think we're going to have to go with the finer batter next time. Well, you heard it here. It's the first time we've done this to your beer walk. First time we've done this, so yeah. Anyhow, still pretty good. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Good fish.
Yeah. I like it.
Mm-hmm. Me too. It's a good bass. Well, what do you think? You want to cheers one?
Yeah.
All right. Well, till next time, remember, rib lips, fish on. Ain't that right? Mm-hmm. There you go. Boom.